I think it's important that you love your job, you go to work each day and then it's the last day. But the most important thing is love your job. Eins Premier mit Kaviar, danach 2 Menü 2 Döschen und danach geht ein Steinbutt für 2. We have a French restaurant with a great hospitality, delicious. We are the most time of the year in our restaurant kitchen. You get inspired by work, you get inspired by talking with colleagues. 2 times, 3 times we go outside and we eat, we enjoy it. You get some new view of the kitchen. We stay for hospitality.
Do you still enjoy what you are doing?
Yes, yes, each day of this.